In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a double exposure poster in Canva. This simple yet impactful design technique allows you to blend two images together, typically combining a portrait with a landscape. It's a fantastic way to create visually stunning posters that capture both attention and imagination. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, setting one up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, head to the homepage. From here, you'll create a new design. Look for the option to start a new design and select Poster from the list of templates. Canva offers a range of options, but Poster is great for this project because it provides the right size and resolution for print and digital use. Next, it's time to choose your primary image, which is the portrait. You can upload a photo you already have or use Canva's search tool to find a portrait that suits your vision. When selecting a portrait, try to choose one with a simple background and good contrast. This will make the editing process much smoother. After you have your portrait, click on it to open the editing options. Look for the Edit Photo tool, and from there, use the Background Remover feature. This fantastic tool will automatically detect and remove the background from your portrait, leaving you with a clean cutout of the person. This step is crucial because it allows the secondary image, which we'll add in the next steps, to show through beautifully. Now, move on to adjusting the photo settings slightly. You should increase the contrast just a bit and reduce the saturation. Increasing the contrast enhances the details of the portrait, while reducing saturation helps in blending different colors more harmoniously when using double exposure. Next, you'll need to choose a secondary image. This could be a landscape, city skyline, or mountain scene. Use Canva's extensive library to search for an image that fits well with the vibe of your portrait. Once you've found the perfect image, simply drag and drop it onto your portrait. The next step is crucial for creating that seamless double exposure effect. You'll want to resize and position the secondary image over your portrait. Think about which parts of your landscape you want to stand out, like a mountain peak or the city skyline, and position it strategically over your portrait to highlight those areas. With your landscape in place, select the overlay image and dive into the transparency settings. You'll want to set the transparency to somewhere between 40% and 60%. This is the magic moment where both images blend together, creating that ethereal double exposure look. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Click the share button and choose to download your design as a PNG file. This format is excellent for maintaining high quality, suitable for both web and print. And there you have it. You've just created a stunning double exposure poster in Canva. Feel free to experiment with different images and adjustments to see what unique designs you can come up with. Thanks for watching and happy designing.